What's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is probably the most requested video I've ever gotten, I think, for my page, and that is a house tour. Are you ready to do a house tour?
Not.
Yes? What is that face?
Not.
Oh, it's so pretty. It's so pretty. Jeez. All right, come on inside. Cameraman, you ready to show them our house? Do you want to show them, Becca? Okay, so the first, when you walk in our house, we have a split level home. So we have, goes upstairs and downstairs. Do you want to go up there? Go.
This also doubles,
And we
it's a very
also-
functional space, doubles as a basketball court.
Oh my gosh. And this is Becca's decoration.
It's only half court.
This is where Haven dunks. She just jumps off from the top step and dunks it. Or sometimes she likes to climb up here and she'll just jump and hang here. We have this space. It doubles as Jace's tool shed and a lot of my brand partnership stuff. And Beckham's decoration as well. And also some shoe storage. And then you go down the stairs. We'll flip this on. And this nice little hanging wall thing. And we have a closet that goes under the steps. Don't show it. And then just take my word for this. This is a laundry room. I'm not going to show you it because it is a mess.
No, put it down here.
Up here, please. Don't show them. And then this is our downstairs room. It's not finished. Almost everything that we've done in our house, actually literally everything that's done in our house is remodeled by us.
Dad, put it down here. Okay, now we have a flat floor and we have downstairs.
We have our lovely broken IKEA couches. They're stacked up on some wood and stuff. And then up there we have our projector.
No, my turn. So we have two TVs.
Yeah, that TV was for Beckham. It was like Beckham's movie TV when we wanted to watch a show upstairs.
This is our other TV.
Yes, this is a projector screen I got Jace for Christmas. I think it's 120 inches. And then we have this nice little sound bar that we got from Costco and a little IKEA storage bin. We have this bathroom just downstairs. It's still not quite finished, but it has a tub.
Finished enough, huh?
Yeah, finished enough to use.
And
That's a trend in this house. It's finished enough to use. Over here is our space. There's the closet over there. And then,
It looks so pretty.
thanks, man.
So beautiful.
That is that room. So let's head on upstairs.
we have
Shut the door.
we also have laundry and it can clean our clothes.
Good job. Come on upstairs. Our half court. From right up the stairs, we have this space. This is Jace's piano. Very beautiful. This is a new addition to our front room, the TerraCore
1 second, Becky.
workout. I will eventually get some family pictures in those picture frames, but for right now, it is just that. I also love candles, so I have candles probably all over my house. Becca wants you to follow him into, over here, into our living room area. Can you please get me an Otter Pop? Hurry, can I please have an Otter Pop? A pink one?
Only if you have a green one.
Okay, get me a green one. Hate the green one. So this is my nice rug from Rugs USA. I want to get a different one eventually, probably soon. And we have our two nice soft couches from RC Willey. This is my favorite blanket, my new favorite blanket from Minky Couture. I have two. Well, this is the Hugs one. I want to get more of the Hugs one because they're like stretchy. Coming over to this little seating area, I have this cute little chair from IKEA and then the two shelves and some decoration on the wall. Very cute. All this stuff I just got by the dump because these are like weeds in Utah, but they're really cute and they just look like pampas grass. Jace built this entertainment stand with his bare hands. Very cool. Has some floating shelves and stuff. And this behind here was actually our old countertop. And then this is our old table, moving in from the living room to our dining room. But this is our dining room area. We have this nice pretty wood table and then these white chairs. I think the rug is from Anthropology, but it is probably the worst rug ever because it sheds like crazy. I made this, or I hung up this gallery wall. Over here, I think I have a video or a vlog of something of me hanging it up. There's still marker pencil on the wall.
This is my yummy treat.
Ooh, you got Haven a treat? Look at Haven. Yummy! But out from the dining area, we have just our back porch and our backyard. This is our back porch. We had porch lights that were hung up, but they fell down because the wind was like insane one day, and then the kids pull on them. But we just have that little sitting area, and then yes, I'll show a little bit of this. So off from the sitting area, we have this little wall and a trampoline, this giant tree, and then there is our pond right there. So that is the backyard. This is my favorite space. Every cabinet and counter was built by my husband. We have these nice soft clothes and soft clothes things. This huge island, which is my favorite part of the kitchen probably. We have like this nice a nice induction cooktop, which it's amazing. If you don't have an induction cooktop, you need to get one because they cook your food like 10 times faster. A hexagonal backsplash all across till right here. So, and then we have our sink with like the black, we have black appliances or accents. So we have a little paper towel holder, and then all the handles are black. And we have this really nice, pretty, like quartz countertop. This window is not done yet, but eventually it will get done.
Our new fridge and looking.
Yep, this is our fridge. Ta-da, it's a mess. Hurry, shut up before they see. Can you tell them about our oven? We have our microwave oven combo equipped with smudges.
Mom.
Oh yeah, I forgot to show you this part of the kitchen. So the island just like hangs over, and then we have our bar stools and a rug. Very nice.
Forgot the master bedroom.
We almost forgot the bath. Come on, guys. We're gonna move into our area here. We have our closet. Don't look in there. Don't look in the closet.
Industrial light switch.
Don't show them that. So Beckham doesn't want to see our bathroom, his bathroom yet. So we're gonna show you Beckham's and Haven's room, just off from the hallway. Look how excited Beckham is to show you his room. Daddy built Beckham and Haven this bunk bed just a couple weeks ago. Haven sleeps on bottom, Beckham sleeps on top, but Haven ends up sleeping on top anyways. Then we have this nice little rug that I flipped over because I got some, I think I like dropped paint on it or juice or something, but it stained the other side that I liked.
And this is my pink island. I live right here.
You live in this one?
All my other islands are lava monster islands. Now show them the master ladder.
The master ladder.
Yeah. Here's the master ladder.
So we have all these like rainbow wall things. They're just little like vinyl stickers from Loomwell. And then they have their dresser over here with this cute little sign that someone made for Haven on her birthday. So I want to get Beckham a matching one. And then over here we have this cute little thing that I made Jace build them, like a little kids rack, clothing rack. It's really cute. This is where they put all their other clothes in their closet, and then their shoe bucket. Beckham and Haven's bathroom. Ta-da! This is our bathroom. It used to look way different. Like I said.
This is the bathroom. You think it will be disgusting.
No, people think it's beautiful in here. I just put up all this cute wallpaper from Loomwell. They have like their vanity. This one broke. A lot of the drawers actually are broken just because Haven and Beckham broke it. Then we have this cute little mirror from Target in the toilet area. Their shower, they have their mirror and the sink. Over on this little shelf, we have another little candle because I love candles and this little decoration. Moving on from there, we have the kids' playroom. It's rarely ever clean and it's not really clean right now. This is their old crib that's a home for all their stuffed animals. Huh, Beckham?
And I like dinosaurs.
Yeah, you love dinosaurs. And then we have some more books in here. They have their little Pottery Barn play kitchen. So cute. This cute little drawing thing. Beckham, did you know that that's a plesiosaurus?
A plesiosaurus.
This is where we keep all their toys just stuffed in this bin, and we have to eventually get rid of this dresser. Heading out from the playroom, we have our master.
I love how this kind of continues throughout the house.
Stop showing. You walk in, and to the right, we have Jace's one door closet. So embarrassing. And then to the left, we have our nice, pretty West Elm dresser. And then I think this is from Hobby Lobby. And then all my little buckets and stuff are from Target. Oh yeah, and then my Young Living diffuser. This lights up. It says Be Bold. Very cute. Then we have my closet over here. But my closet really carries throughout the room everywhere. Like this bucket. We love it. We finally upgraded to a king size bed because we were bed sharing in a queen size bed for the longest time. But we have this nice little like frame, you can't really see. Also from West Elm. This is where we put our worn but not dirty clothes that we want to rewear. And then we have our bucket of socks. This is where all our socks go. And then this nice body mirror from IKEA. It was only like 30 bucks. I wish we would have gotten two because I will kind of want to put one over there where that black body mirror is. Yeah, wouldn't it look nice with a white one? Oh well. This I eventually want to hang up here. It's from IKEA. And then I think this is the last room of the house, which I'm very excited to show because it is newly renovated / not finished renovating. This is our master bathroom. Jace also built this by himself. Basically did everything by himself, all the cabinets and stuff. And then we have this giant mirror. We wanted to get a really big one that took up basically the entire vanity because we got a double sink. The whole floor is this like really pretty marble looking tile, and then we have our toilet. The marble.
The toilet.
This is the toilet. It has a tushy bidet attachment.
Bidet?
I did. Oh, our amazing shower. We had a very, very crappy shower that like ended right here, and it was miserable taking a shower, but now we have plenty of room. We have our little step up. The floor in here is my favorite. Give them a little close-up of the floor. It's a really pretty like hexagonal gold flooring. Very pretty. We have a little shelf cut out. It ended up being a lot smaller than I thought. Oh, thanks, Becca.
Nice.
It ended up being a lot smaller than I thought it would, but we have tons of room in here now. Here's a little different angle of our bathroom. There's Jace. It really is so pretty. Alright guys, that is the end of our house tour. Thank you so much for watching. This video shout out goes to Kristen Bassnett. I don't know if that's right. Thank you so much for your guys' support, and if you want to be next video shout out, don't forget to leave a comment down below and subscribe. Bye!